Why different is this evening?
Indeed, very wonderful. See these all gentlemen and these beautiful ladies and the wives around tell a very beautiful day. Why our beautiful lady with the beautiful heart, our man is shining.
Oh my god, I was scared. I see the very successful smile on every face, and the handsome guy is showing a very bright future in my wish.
For the future, step by step. Our team already strong. Suppliers also strong. We get our name from China. So by power, by money, by your mind, by your products, by your company structures, by your management. Everything is the backside. All of you backside of me, right? You are so strong. Even the one push me, they cannot. Even I cannot move, right? Because all of you guys backside of me. Catch the point. Catch the key. Okay, this is most of the thing I care. Thank you very much.
Our company's accounting manager, Mr. Kumar, please come on the stage.
Heard one word from my teacher. Being poor by birth is not my problem, but dying poor is my problem. Here I completed 7th year in this company. We have to speak about our vision as the company structure. Company structure starting from CEO and the assistant CEO. Then there are 4 departments coming under CEO. Purchase manager, sales manager, finance manager and products manager. Everyone toward greater goals and opens our company to more possibilities and bright future. So UAE, Saudi, China team, thank you all.
Just now I finished 5 years in this company, and in these 5 years I learned so many new things about the accounting, about the management and about the system.
Any life, any moment, just to be a positive, just to be a keep yourself. You can do. The finally you got.
Now going to bring to more product and more famous product in market, and our name also very famous in market.
Ourselves and those all credit go to our management. They motivate us and push us to become like next level. So Alhamdulillah, we are follow properly our management and we get success.
I respect my boss and ma'am decision. They give me a chance to grow more. They give me a chance to get up. They give me a chance to improve myself. So October, November and December my sale is totally different from my past 7 months. So I appreciate my boss and ma'am.
Allah increase more sales. So always teach with him. Every week he will go to S1, giving small meeting. Every people come sit there. So boss give more confident. How can deal to big customer?
After 66% from visitors through mobile, and iOS mostly customer using through iPhone, and that's why we have to develop our application, mobile application, because mostly users use mobile and visit our website.
Company now gave me a big task to transfer there to KSA to work there. This is the hard work there, but I'll do my best. What I learned here in Dubai, what I learned from the management, or what I learned with my colleagues. So I will do my best to use that ideas, that knowledge in the Saudi Arab to.
Sonny.
Oh my God.
Miss Mia. Experience for how to make the business and how to give the credit and how to take the money back.
现在我们这个公司就像一个大家庭一样，非常团结。
Our company is like one family. We are always work together for one target.
Number 4.
Number 4 is Miss John.
जो उसके दिल में जो खुदा निकला आशिकी वो दीवाना मौसम
वो तेरी दिल लगी हमको बड़ा ही करे बेकरार वो प्यार 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 प्यार
ਕੋਈ ਨਕਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਤੇ ਲੱਗੇ ਕੱਖ ਵੀ ਸ਼ਕਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਵੱਡੇ ਅਮੀਰਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਹੈਪੀ ਨੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਜੀਣਾ
लंबी जुदाई दिना दा प्यार ओ रब्बा बड़ी लंबी जुदाई Confidence.
一座山翻过一条河，千山万水永不尽落。你来过年华北传说，一往情的世界，曾经拥有你的名字，我的声音。那悲歌总会在梦中清醒，诉说一点哀伤，满不在乎穿过森林，是风干了眼后萧瑟的影子。不明白你是为何你心切，总不能溶解你的样子。是否来迟了明日的约？
ਭਾਵੇਂ ਜਾਨ ਜਾਨ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਮਾਨ ਕਰ ਲੈ ਪਛਾਣ ਤੂੰ ਜਿੰਦ ਜਾਨ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਜਾਨ ਜਾਨ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਮਾਨ ਕਰ ਲੈ ਪਛਾਣ ਤੂੰ ਜਿੰਦ ਜਾਨ ਦਿਲ ਬਾਜ
And also we are awarding him with the best sales. Performance.
Tobys professional! Tobys!